We're ready for Unit 3, which is safety. And safety has 4 lesson plans in it. Those 4 lesson plans, number 1 is safety measures for the resident and the environment. Number 2 is fire, natural disasters, and other emergencies. 3 is infection control, and 4 is transmission-based precautions. So let's look at lesson plan 1 and your introduction here. Safety measures for the resident and the environment. What I'm going to do is I'll challenge you after you read the material, after you see the program on the online portion, to actually go on scavenger hunts to find things that shouldn't be and could be a safety threat to the resident. And you'll begin to, as you understand more, see things as you're walking down the halls that alert you. And that's what we need to happen. We need for you to become aware of the things that you have to watch for in the environment. One of the things that I want to talk about here and that we'll really stress, remember, residents have families bring in things, and sometimes those things are not safe in our facility. Furniture, curtains, anything that's cloth has to have some kind of fire or safety retardant or treatment done to it. So when you notice those new things, you need to be asking the charge nurse or the administrator or maintenance or someone if that is appropriate and if it's been treated or if it needs to be treated. The other thing that they'll bring in are medications, especially over-the-counter medications. They cannot even have a jar of mentholatum in their overbed cabinet unless they have a physician's order to do so and to use it. So that becomes a safety measure. And the reason that is we have residents who have dementia. So if that resident with dementia would happen to wander in and eat the mentholatum, what kinds of problems could that produce? So those are the kinds of things that we'll look at. Also, plug-ins. Families will bring in TVs, they'll bring in other equipment that require plugging in to an outlet, and we have to be very careful about extension cords. They're just not used. There need to be enough outlets to service the number of appliances or equipment that the resident has. So that's pretty much safety and measures for the resident and the environment.